hello, Sherlock. I'm home. Oh, hello. What? Oh? Was something wrong? Nothing. You didn't destroy anything today? Well, yeah, I know. You did very good. Very good. Yeah? So good, in fact, that, like, we can go outside. Yeah. You want to go outside? I'm being serious. No? Okay. Sky, what about you, bub? Want to go outside? This guy gives 0 Fs. Let's go outside, Sherlock. No respect, is there? No respect. Yeah, stretch. Let's go ahead. Here, I'll grab the leash. Let's go. Big stretch. Oh. Yeah. Woo. Big stretch. You sure you're ready? Okay.